I bought some fresh Northeast vegetables from Munirka Delhi. I went on weekend. Miyam ay Munirka Delhi da Keithel karure insang sisingoy re. Yam di lay rakti ko. Sisi banana, wild banana gi lay ni ko ang pau chadri sisi. This is wild banana flour, string beans or petai beans, and I bought this as well. This is called ipar in my dialect. And it's a wild vegetable flour. As equilon the ipar ka we ko. As you see, dung matan da ching da hau bane. Kang, a packet of kang, and this as well. This, I think this is called Indian ivy or something like that. It's a thorny vegetable, thorny wild vegetables. Si packet ni lay ra eh. And mustard leaf. This is for 20 rupees. And this vegetable I got it for 50 rupees per packet. Si 50 rupees piego packet mada. Asi sune ipik asi su 50 rupees ne kajik ne. This is also 50 rupees. Even this is also for 50 rupees. Duga yung jak na chamagi mga tawe. Dusu dumuk maru yaure lire aduga pressure. Dumuk ti sang di til ko. And this string beans 5 pieces for 100 rupees. And this one is for 75 rupees. It's a bit expensive. I need to peel out some layer. See layer si lihib sin ko law thok ni si weight on la law e ba kg do on le ba ko kg da 130 hai bra yam tang e mun gre si re na ke thel ka ben sang lai rak pu si asi pan su lai ra e manipur pan chaw bu do sai ut pu kaw hi ne pan bu english te taro natraga colocasia ka ni ko si re